So we get quite a few questions about this kit. This is our Coyote swap system. As you can see, it's in a new edge, but we do cover the full application from Fox body up to 04. This car has been 790 at 175, slightly modified. We have our on3 86 millimeter turbo on there still right now, just exactly how it comes. Billet wheel, very easy to modify. Just this section of the downpipe to adapt if you wanted to go bigger. Car makes almost 1200, I want to say. The way it sits, room to grow. I do think the turbo's pretty close to being maxed out. It is a TKM built engine. We have options, fender exit. You can find this all on the website, or be able to route it just through the K member and route it the rest of the way how you would desire. Pretty simple setup though, and it is tubular headers. It's hard to show down there, but nice coolant tank to add in there. We make a billet overflow for the Coyotes a lot of people don't know about. Just figured I'd share.